out. Oh my god.
Can't trap me now, bitch. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You can't trap me. Oh shit.
I'm gonna fight.
Ah.
I'll fight you.
You can't trap me. Ha! 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 You fool! You idiot! You absolute fucking buffoon! Ah, shit. I forgot you could walk through things. Oh no! I'm scared. Oh no. I can't. I can't move. Please. Guys! Guys, I wanna go explore too! Help me. Help me.
Bye.
Please. Please.
Have a good day.
Help me. Help me out.
I can't figure out how to do it.
Help me! Bryce! Okay. Y'all fucking suck. Should I follow the light? Or should I go into the darkness? I'll go into darkness. Ooh! I have a key! Ah, oh, new dimension. Ah, oh, fucker! No, it's fine. Take it. I don't need your fucking pity. No, take it. Ooh, it looks like Bryce doesn't have shit. Me and Ashley both got shit.
Large axle over here.
Hey, hey, hey.
I got something.
Hey. Hey, we're friends. We're friends. We're friends, please. Ashley? Ashley. Ashley. Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on, I have a key. I have a key, don't kill me. I have a key, hold on. Oh.
Nice.
I want to get out of here.
I would also. Oh!
Exit! Hey, look!
Oh. Alright, you know what?
Here, I'm gonna drop this, then I'm gonna go back for that. All the way down. Hey, we're so fucking rich. Look at all this shit.
Goodbye.
Jump, I fucking dare you. Bet you won't. Do it. Jump out of here. I'll do it. Oh, never mind. Our life is in good hands.
Dang, we already got quota.
I know. We're so good at this game. I almost jumped. I'm gonna keep it straight bucks.
I almost did too, don't worry.
We
Bunch of smart ones you are.
love the company. The company.
They're company.
It's so dark in here. There's so much to fear.
I won't lie, it's kind of creepy.
I have a key. Hello, I have a key. Do you see I have a key? I have a key. Hey, do you need anything for a key? Which way did you go? Friend? Friend, do you need a key? Oh shit, you scared it. Wait, where'd you go? Oh, you appear out of darkness.
I like this game.
I have 2 keys.
Oh.
What?
You can hear it?
No?
Score?
Oh, shit. Okay.
Yeah. It's probably friendly.
I am a coward.
Oh.
Oh, fuck. Oh, Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna just go. Just see if Ashley's still alive. You know, I don't want to risk everything. Oh, Ashley, you're alive. Bryce isn't.
Oh.
I don't think he is, at least. I saw something through a gateway and it didn't go. Oh, wait! Is he still alive? Was... Ashley. Oh.
I died.
Did
Oh, my
you...
cube.
Did you die when I ran away? Or have you been alive?
Oh, I died like a couple seconds before you left.
Oh, okay.
That thumper found me again.
Nice.
I got away from it, got to the other side of the facility, and he wandered in there after me. And I ran down a corridor, I hit a locked door, and I got pinned.
Oh. That's funny. Whee! Ow. Well, that doesn't bode well.
That's why I didn't go on the bridge. And it's probably not a great thing that we immediately break that every time we're here.
Yeah. No. But it adds character.
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh, is it the mine? Hold on. Someone needs to go back to this. Okay, well, I'm going down.
Why?
Someone needs to survive. Just one person.
Ah, we got it.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm no. Hey, found a key. Friends, friends, do you need a key?
Not yet.
Do you want a key? I have a key.
The
Is
truck.
this-
Is she dead?
Is this just a bunch of dead ends? Oh wait, no, never mind. It goes down. I found another key, you guys. I have 2 keys.
So excited about these damn keys.
They're keys.
Hey, it said keep out.
What? What? Do you need a key? Oh my god, you need a key? Where? Where?
Here.
Oh, yes.
Ooh,
Blue light.
cave.
Is this gonna like break or something? Duck! Hey, careful. Big dogs! And a hole. Should I go in the hole?
I think it's dead.
I'll give you all my stuff, but you have to
No,
promise.
we're not. No.
You have to promise to survive. I'll do it, or I could just.
No.
I could just.
I think a useless death is not worth it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. What is death? Do not.
Yeah. Right. Don't.
Back up.
Okay.
Walk away from the hole.
Hey, there's a fish back here. I almost just ran into the hole.
Fucking nitboy. What's this way?
I don't know, but I'm gonna go back because I don't want to die. Ah! Fuck! Okay, good. He's at least alive. I jumped. I'm a coward. Oh, Ashley, you died a hero!
I tried. I had so much shit on me though.
I also had a lot
But
of
we had
shit.
enough in this trip, so we're good.
That was the longest I ever survived in the mines.
You're in the mines.
Oh, I had a ducky. And a key! God damn
It's
it.
okay, there's like 3 keys in here.
God. Yeah, but they're not my keys. Whee!
I'm not putting my shit up there if you're gonna stand by the bell. Step away from the bell.
Your honest work is invaluable for the company.
Away from the bell.
Ah! Damn it.
You're a terrible person.
Why is this one getting angry?
Can't forget to put the key in there.
Not that key! I think we should buy a car. Okay, who's ever making that sound, I'm gonna break your fingers.
They want flashlights. You guys can look at the store. You know, I want a flashlight. I'm gonna break your fingers.
Something. Someone do something.
Bottle.
Guys, buy what you want.
I bet it's gonna land right here.
I bet no balls you won't stay. I bet you.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Right here.
I'm not moving. Oh shit, you're probably right. Ah, damn!
I was closer. Fuck you.
Oh, we did.
Damn
I
it.
got myself a flashlight.
Damn it.
Didn't get anything. Anybody else?
I told you guys like 3 times, get what you want and getting myself a flashlight.
Hey, can you give me a flashlight? Fuck.
She's not down here.
She jumped over.
God damn it. Yeah, she's gone. You just cost us $112.
That's way more than a flashlight.
I'm in the shame corner. Shame me. Shame me good. Yes.
Maybe I
Yes.
could just push you
Tighter.
Oh,
Nope, I'm free.
Get back in the corner.
I don't want to get in the corner. I don't want to get in the corner.
Get in your corner.
I don't want to.
Get in. Wait.
That's me!
Oh, sorry. I can't see name tags. I'm doing this. Get back in the corner.
No. 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 Ha.
There we go. Moons. Hey.
Oh wait. Oh no.
You fucker. That better not have counted as a day.
This better not count as us trying to skip it. Oh no, I didn't realize that it'd bring us here. Oh no.
You absolute fool.
I'm sorry. Please don't count. Yay! No consequences! Woo! What?
You're a fucking whore.
What? Oh.
You did.
Oh no. Oh no. No! No! You stay the fuck away from me. God damn it.
Friend.
Oh my god. No.
Is that a key
You're
down there?
joking. Key? Key?
Yeah, I saw you. I see you.
Please. Please.
I turned my flashlight on. Did you see what she did?
Did she jump into the blackness?
She walked into the... She could... Alright, it's this dark, right? She's just walking.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a plug slider down there. Alright, I see her. Okay, there goes the horn.
Damn.
Luckily, we still got the air horn.
Oh no. I am the annoying one, not you. I'm gonna kill myself.
Okay, this door's locked.
Ah.
You know, you sounded upset that I requested help, but you sprinted over so fast.
It's a dead end! You gotta be fucking kidding me.
This is a good time.
Alright, up or down?
Where's down?
Well, forward, I guess. Oh, it's locked. Never mind. Imagine! We could have kept going, but somebody... Look at him, bitch.
That door just opened all of a sudden. Hey.
What?
You did, it's opening and closing this door.
Really? Is it closed right
Yeah.
now?
It's closed. Now it's open.
Oh. Wait, is this... Would this one be on? No, it's still locked. Okay.
Oh.
Fuck!
We're really good at opening doors that don't go anywhere.
We have nothing. What if we... Damn it. Hey, Bryce. Okay. So all we got was an air horn this time?
I got a sheet of metal.
Oh, okay. That's so much better.
It's probably not worth much at all.
How do I get back to the ship?
Going there
Oh,
now.
yeah. Never mind. It's this way. I remember. The dildo.
What?
What?
The tanker?
No.
What did you call it?
Nothing. Wait a minute. There's 2 keys. Bryce. Wait. There's 4 keys. Bryce.
Yeah.
There's 4 keys. We can go
It's
back.
already 3:30.
We can go back.
It's already 3:30. I'm not going in there. You will come out in the middle of the night.
I'm going.
You want a flashlight?
Nope. Well,
Okay, bye.
no, wait, hold on. Give me the flashlight. Oh, shit. No. Shit. I am nothing if I am not brave. I am nothing if I am not brave. I am nothing if I am not brave. Hello.
Damn.
Oh man, that's fucked up. Let me in. I walk in there and I can I please yes. I walked in there and
Nice.
hey dumbass, I got a fucking flashlight.
That's my flashlight.
Well, it's my flashlight now, bitch. You ain't getting it out of
Yeah,
me.
fine, I'm getting a new one.
No, you're not. I'm gonna kill myself
So you
if
were
you don't
typing,
stop.
you were like,
I have a key, by the way.
Bye.
You guys can rely on me for the key. I have a key, just in case you didn't know.
Bye.
You fucker. Can I... You better not die. Guess what I'm gonna
Yeah,
do?
you got a fucking flashlight thief.
Guess what
Do
I'm
it.
gonna do?
Do it. Do it. Nice.
Yeah. Hey. Hey, Bryce.
No.
What?
Nope.
What? There's a spider this way.
You're a spider.
Thanks. I'm trying to figure out how to get out of here.
Oh, I got you. Probably. Yeah, here's your jumps right here.
Fuck.
Can you do it with all this shit?
Shit! You better not die.
Nope. Here goes my flashlight.
Gee, she tells me not to die with the inventory full of shit, yet she died
Yeah.
with an inventory full of shit.
Yeah.
And my flashlight.
Yeah.
We got quota already anyway. Don't need to take unnecessary risks. We're
Fine.
leaving the bridge intact this time.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, you go first.
See? Easy peasy. Damn it.
I know you're preying on my downfall. Like a penis.
I'm not like a penis. I am a penis.
I found pickles!
I found an egg beater. Oh wait, hold on. This is so funny. Bryce, wait, hold on. Hold on. Talk about unnecessary whisks. It's great. Thank you for being my captive audience.
It's terrible.
It was great. Yeah, I'm over here. I'm behind you now.
Hello. Go away. Oh.
No. Bryce, are you still alive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe not for long.
Hey, V8. Gotta have a V8. To be honest, I thought it was a spider when it first came for me. Ooh. Don't mind if I do. Pickle. Pickles. Pickles. Why can't I pick up the pickles? I can't pick up the I can't grab the V8 anymore? I can't move my scroll wheel?
Pickles.
Okay, never mind, we're good.
Because I have them.
Well, no, they were on the ground before. I couldn't pick them up. Before you came out. And then I
can't
couldn't...
move your scroll because you're holding the engine.
No, it was on the ground before.
I
I
have
put it... I put down the V8 engine. And then I tried to pick up the flask and the pickles, and it didn't work. Uh-oh. Are you dead? Oh, shit. Nice. Let me just put that down and pick that one up and pick that one up. And, grab this. Nice. Nice. I have the pickles now. The pickles now. They are so some diddly umptious. I'm gonna go grab Bryce's dead body and his flashlight, I guess.
How'd he die?
He was dumb and crushed the bridge.
Saw my ass.
Hold on. So, I think a giant might be out. Just be ready to pull the thing. I might die too. God, there's so many of them. Oh shit. Ah!
Are we leaving?
Yeah, go. Just go.
Can't believe you just left me like that.
I tried to get you. There's a giant though.
Yeah, I was almost dead from that hoarding bug, and then that fall from the bridge collapsing did it.
I have a bunch of flasks. I'm a scientist. Let me do body stuff. Damn it.
Counter's full. Scare you a little bit?
Shut up.
You're a terrible person.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Good. I'm glad you're satisfied.
See, now we're gonna lose a shit ton of our money right away.
Or I
'Cause
could
we
also
can't even
die.
recover the body.
I could die if you want.
Wait, no, because that's more
I
money.
could kill myself. I'll do it. There's plenty of ways to jump off, Bryce.
You know, you did it last time.
It was an accident. I was trying to
How
do parkour. And I just didn't do parkour. What the fuck is... You got the Please knock over, I need the body. I need the body, please. Oh my god. Wait, the body's here. Perfect. Hey, buddy, we're gonna go over. You need to start reading the manual. Jesus Christ. Oh, okay. All right. Let's get out of here. That was good. That was genuinely, that really brightened up my day. Just like the explosion. Nom 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 nom. There we go.
Well, I'm glad you thought that was funny.
It was so funny.
You know, I turned the car on, and it said W's to give it gas. So I was like, oh, okay.
You were still in park, I bet.
I don't think so.
Don't press forward if you're in park, or you explode.
But even, you know, even in a real car, if it's parked and you push the gas, it's just gonna rev the engine. It's
No,
not
it
gonna
explodes.
fucking explode.
It explodes. Didn't you know that? Bees, bees, where are you? Let me have some bees for you. Bees, bees, I won't go, and you won't even have to know. Bees, bees, where are you? Let me come and grab some of you. I think there's a secret in this forest. Yeah, secret of wasting time. God damn. Wait a minute! I found... I am now inside. Hello?
Why?
I went through the fire exit. I found an egg! Oh, hello! I have an egg. I'll throw it at you. I swear to God.
Don't waste money.
Candy. That's a great song. I should listen to it again. Hello!
Hey. I was
Hello?
hoping that would scare you.
No. Hello? Hello? I don't want to walk into the dark abyss. Hello? Aw, oh, damn it, locked door. Anyone got a key? I have a lollipop.
Nice. The door down there is locked as well. And I don't know where I'm going, but I know a way out. Oh my god. I hate you. I can't believe you've done this.
Literally, as soon as I saw that, I was just like, God, I hope I'm walking with someone at some point. God, I want to blow someone up. Oh my god, I'm hilarious.
You're horrible.
I'm hilarious. You love it!
Yeah.
Yeah! Oh, and I had an egg. I had an eggy?
Not anymore.
Yeah.
You made me lose my horn.
Oh no! Oh no, no horn. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I'm sure you were so upset about it.